have to find out via Google and whatnot what your calories will be, because all of your dieting experiences and what types of diets you go through will depend on how many calories you should be eating a day. So to split it up really quickly, I'm going to split up with calories in a deficit, means that you're going to be eating less calories than usual for maintenance calories. And that's what you'll find with the TDEE calculator. It's similar like to a BMR calculator, body fat percentage and whatnot, but it'll find out how many calories you burn naturally. So do that first, then you're in the golden to start looking for diets. Second will be, what are macros? Macros are your fats, carbs, and proteins. These are the most essential for a diet so you can have energy to survive. And the ones you can play around with to really change, to see what works for you, but to really lose weight or gain weight if you're on a surplus, or maintenance to stay the same. So fats are like your olive oil, avocado, coconut oil, cheese, pepperoni, bacon with a lot of fats, sausages. Those are your fats. Peanut butter. Proteins are your like turkey, eggs, chicken, hamburger. You get the idea. Those are your proteins. And then carbs are all the yummy foods. So breads, pastas, cereals, syrup, fruits, delicious fruits, most other rice, all that's your carbs, sweet potatoes. So, and then you have your veggies, which have some carbs in them, but virtually nothing. So that's the first part. You want to go find out how many calories you should be burning to be in a deficit, or surplus if you want to be bulking and gaining weight, or maintenance, and then go from there.